How to check your saved Instagram password on your iPhone. The first thing you need to do is open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right-hand corner. Next, tap the settings bar in the top right, then select Account Center. From here, scroll down and tap on Password and Security. Now tap on Saved Login. Choose your Facebook account from the list and make sure saved login information is turned on and enabled like this. Once that's done, you can close the Instagram app. Next, use the search bar on your iPhone and type passwords. Then open the Passwords app. At the bottom of the page, tap on the search box and type Instagram. Select the Instagram account you want to view. Then tap on the password field and it will reveal your Instagram password. If you can't find your password here, you can try another method. Open an internet browser and go to the Google website. Sign in with your Google account. After signing in, tap on your profile icon in the top right-hand corner and select Manage your Google account. In the top menu, swipe across and tap on Security. Scroll down until you see Password Manager, then tap Manage Passwords. Use the search box to search for Instagram and select it from the results. This is another place where you can view any saved passwords. Once again, just tap on the password field to reveal your Instagram password. Thanks for watching.